For the last 2 years, the tiny home garden has been, well, abandoned. I haven't done anything to it, and that changes in this video, and you're going to see the start to finish garden transformation. And I've never really done landscaping like this, so if you see me do anything wrong, I genuinely have no idea about plants and how to make walkways and any of that stuff. So as always, I just started before I gave myself too much time to think about it. And that's kind of what I've done with everything in my life, is I give it a bit of thought and then I just jump into it, because I find I worry way more about how things can go wrong in my own head than what actually ends up ever happening in real life. It's like you right now. If you look at your life and all of the things you've ever worried about, how many of them actually came true? It's like, for me, when I started my weekly newsletter on Substack and I first advertised it in one of my videos, I deleted it out of it because I was like, nah, this is going to be embarrassing. Nobody is going to read this. Well, fast forward to today, and it's been in the top 10 rising in business for over 2 weeks. And for those of you who don't know what that really means, it means that like in the last 2 weeks, like over 65,000 people have been reading my newsletter, which is sick. Like the fact that I now make money from writing what I'm investing in, and I can condense the 6 years that I worked in finance into easily digestible information that it doesn't matter if you're a plumber or an accountant or a landscape gardener, you can understand about the stock market. And the problem is with all of you watching this right now is you think to make money in the stock market, you need to be somebody special. You need to be super intelligent. And from somebody who has worked for a FTSE 100 asset manager with like 400 billion in assets under management, I can tell you that it is terrifying how dumb some of these people are. If you're really good at working in finance, guess what? You don't work for somebody else, you just do it for yourself. That's why in 2023, I quit that day job and started managing my own money. In 2025, my portfolio increased by 71%. That means if you had 10 grand invested, by the end of the year, it would be worth 17,100. And I get it, you're busy. And that's where the value of my newsletter comes in, because you're just offloading all the research and monitoring the market 5 days a week to me, and then I collate all that information and send it out every single Sunday. I haven't missed a Sunday in 120 weeks. Like, it's by far my greatest achievement is doing this. I'm so glad it has helped so many people. And to say thank you to the people who have been subscribed for over 2 years, your price is going to be locked at the old rate, meaning it's not going to increase when the jump happens. And for those of you who don't know, I said to myself that I'm going to keep my price at a low rate for 2.5 years, and then I'll increase it back to the normal market rate. So if you haven't already, I'd click the link in the description or search Havesomevision on Substack and sign up now, because the price is going to increase imminently. And speaking of imminent, I think Substack is going on a growth run at the moment. Because if you look up on Google Trends, how many people are searching for Substack, the graph is going mad. And you're hearing about a viral Substack article, like in at least the finance world, every few days, like the Citrini research article that went super viral and in fact caused a number of companies' share price to drop directly because of a Substack article. And look, you might have missed the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube growth becoming a creator, but that doesn't mean you have to miss this one. Anyway, we're getting back to the landscaping of the tiny home now. And I bought 330 kilograms of open steel utility flooring. It's usually used for like mezzanines in warehouses, but I saw a photo of somebody using this in their garden, and I thought that's well smart, because if you have a small garden, rather than having like a concrete pathway, which obviously no plants can grow, with this being raised above the ground, nature can grow amongst the pathway, which I thought would look really cool.